Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. We'll start up here. These are Nimbus 9 cases for Samsung devices, and they say for every purchase of a Nimbus 9 product, a meal is donated to an orphanage. So you can see how it all works here. We like social good aspects to companies that we work with, so we like that they give away meals to orphanages. So this first product here is we're going to take a look. It's made for the Galaxy S10, 6.1 inch. It's called the Phantom 2. It's wireless charging capable. So if you have a Galaxy S10 that has wireless charging, this case will work with that. So here's the case. We like that there's red metallic inserts for the buttons on each side of the device. And it's very sturdy. It's got a hexa pattern on here. And on the inside you can see that right there easily. So this is like a smoke, almost clear case. And it's military standard, drop tested, so we like that. So this is for the Galaxy S10, which hasn't been released yet, but we're excited to see cases already coming out from companies. And this is for the Galaxy S10 Plus at 6.4 inch screen. Again, this is military standard. It has that hexa pattern again with the smoke type color, wireless charging compatible, and comes with a lifetime warranty, which is also very cool. So you can see here the insert for the cameras and the flash. The hexa pattern again, get that little bit of flex going there, and you can see internal bumpers all the way around, and the metallic button inserts. We like that a lot. The metallic button gives it a little bit of extra flair. So that's for the S10 Plus. Okay, and then we'll go to the next one, and this is for the Galaxy S10 Lite 5.8 inch screen. Okay, and then this pulls out here, and this is for the smaller S10 called the Lite model. There we go. Hexa pattern again, a little bit of flexy movement there, and the metallic button covers right there. And then this is just a cutout right there for the Lite version. Has the limited lifetime warranty, and they've been military drop spec tested. So these are all made by Nimbus 9. We like the smoke coloring, and that it's compatible with wireless charging as well. So you have three cases here. Galaxy S10 with 6.1 inch screen, Galaxy S10 Plus 6.4 inch screen, and the Galaxy S10 Lite 5.8 inch screen from Nimbus 9. Thanks.